Right, this is question 54 from the review packet. This is a word problem. It's this is probably going to be a quadratic because we're talking about area. But I'm going to try to show you how to do this. If this doesn't make sense, don't worry about it. We didn't really have a chance to go through word problems too carefully. So just do the best you can. All right, so first thing you should do is, we're talking about a rectangle, so you should draw a rectangle if you can. And what it says the length is 6 inches more than half its width. So the area of the sign, the area is 432 square inches. So they said write an equation and one variable that can be used to find the number of inches and dimensions of the sign. And it says solve this algebraically to determine the dimensions of the sign in inches. Okay. First thing, it says that the length is equal to 6 plus, actually it is 1/2 the width plus 6. So it says 6 inches more than half its width. So W stands for the width, and the length is 6 more than half its width. So if this is the width and this is the length, what we can do, and we know that the area is 432 square inches. So that means that this times this, that means L times W is equal to 432. Now, what we're going to do is, we know that W stands for width. We're going to substitute in for L. We're going to put in 1/2 W plus 6, and we're going to multiply that times W equals 432. Now, at this point, we got an equation, and it's in one variable. So we can solve this. So let's do that. So now all we have to do is go grab the calculator. And let's go here. We're going to go to the graph, and we're just going to use menu 31. And we are going to do W times parentheses 1/2 W plus 6 equals 432. And we're going to do comma, W, and then we press enter. It says that the width is equal to 24. So that if the width is equal to 24, let's go over here to my iPad. So if the width is equal to 24, that means that the length is going to be 1/2 of 24 plus 6. So 1/2 of 24 is 12, and 12 plus 6 is going to be 18. So then 1/2 its width. Okay, so I got the width is 24 and the length is 18. So if we add those, if we multiply these two, we should get 432. So this will be 32, carry the 3, that's 7. And then we have 36. So this is going to be 432. So we got it. The width is 24 inches and the length is 18 inches. And we're done. So basically we have to be able to translate these sentences into equations. And if you can, that's great. If you can't, it's not a big deal. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to cover word problems like I wanted to. But that's it. And that's how you would do it. Make a drawing, try to come up with the width. We know the width is the width, and then the length. I wrote the length in terms of the width. And then I know that if I multiply the length times the width, that should give me the area. And that's what I did. So that's how I came up with the equation. And then I used solve. Since it's one variable, once I substituted in for L, it became one variable. And then I was able to end solve this. And of course, this is a quadratic, but that's okay. So basically, another way that we could do this is we could graph this, but I think in this case, end solve works better. So, all right, that's our answer. And let's go. Let me stop this and we're